Hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 1302, deepest leaves sum. Let's read out the problem. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of its values of its deepest leaves. So we have to find the sum of the deepest leaves. So we can solve this question using BFS as well as DFS. In BFS we can find the sum at each level and we will return the sum of the last level. So let's start coding. So first we will do use BFS. So for that I need a queue of tree node, and I need a value as equals to as declared y, and we will insert root in the queue. After this we will run loop until it is not empty. Okay, then what we will do, we will declare as equals to 0 and n equals to q dot size, while n minus minus auto sorry yeah auto f equals to q dot front. Okay, and we'll pop it and s plus equals to f value. Okay, then we will return s and we will push if f left not equals to null. If f right is also not equals to null, then we will store in q. Okay, now let's check it. Let's submit. Okay, now let's solve. Now let's analyze its time complexity. Time is simply O of v plus e, and space is the maximum width that we can say order of v. Okay, Now let's solve it using DFS. For DFS, I will create a void DFS, and I will need a root. A variable s which will contain the sum. Also we need to track the depth of the tree, so we will initialize the depth -1, okay, by default, and we'll call DFS root comma depth comma sum, and we will return sum. Okay, int depth and int sum. If root left sorry left equal null and root right equal null, it means the root is leaf. Okay, then we will check if depth. Okay, and we will take one more variable which will be current depth, so if depth is less than current depth, which means, for example, if we are, let's say, 1 to 5, if I've called, and after that it is going to 7, then the current depth is greater, so it will assign sum equals to root value, else if it is equal, if depth equal current depth, then we'll simply sum root value, and this L will be using okay. If it is not leaf node, then what do we have to do? We have to simply call it DFS and root left, comma depth, comma sum, comma current depth plus 1. And similarly we have to again call DFS for right also. Rest will be same. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, we got error. Okay, current is 0. We are getting null pointer. Okay, for example, okay, if root equal null ptr null pointer, then we will simply return. Okay, we got some error. Let's fix it. We are getting answer as 8. Okay, okay, we did one thing wrong. When it is less, then we have to make changes in the value of depth also. Then depth will be equals to current depth. Now let's check it. Okay, now let's submit. Now let's analyze the time complexity. So the time will be O of n, where n is the number of nodes and space will be O of n. Because in worst case. Okay, that's all everyone. Thank you.